So in today's video, like I said earlier on, we'll be looking at retell lecture. This is one of the tasks in the speaking module. And what happens here basically is you hear an audio which lasts between 1 minute to 2 minutes. Hi there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Juliet, your favorite PTE tutor. All I do is help you get your target score for your PTE exam, especially for migration, or if you want to do your nursing registration, I also help you get that score that you need. So in today's video, we'll be looking at retell lecture. I'll be going straight to the point, actually the things that you need to know. So remember to hit the subscribe button if you're new here, so that you get new notifications from me once I upload new videos. So in today's video, like I said earlier on, we'll be looking at retell lecture. This is one of the tasks in the speaking module. And what happens here basically is you hear an audio which lasts between 1 minute to 2 minutes. And once the audio begins to play, you'll be expected to take down important points. Now make sure you get keywords as the audio begins to play. Now, once the audio finishes playing, you'll be given 10 seconds to put yourself together. And once you hear the beep, you begin to speak into the microphone, especially using those keywords you have heard or you heard during the lecture. You need to be precise, you need to be fluent without hesitations, without pauses. It is a straightforward task, it's not difficult. Now, you're not expected to get 100% of what the audio says. All you need to do is get important key points. Now recall, in the speaking module, you'll be graded for pronunciation, for fluency, and for content. In this task, your pronunciation and your fluency are very important. Not like your content is not important. If you focus more on getting 100% of the content, it's going to help you in your listening score. However, your pronunciation and your fluency are key in this task. Now, I forget to mention that one of the important things you need to do for this task is to make sure you have your notepad ready and your pen ready, especially in the exam. Now, what will you do with the notepad? This is where you take down important points, that is those keywords that you hear during the lecture. Take down this point. One thing I will tell you is write it clearly. Don't muddle it up, because once you muddle these things up, when it's time for you to begin to speak into the microphone, there's a tendency that you'll be struggling with what you have written, and this could affect your fluency, which is one of the key things that you're being graded for in your speaking. Make sure you take down those key points, write them out in such a way that it will be very easy for you to read. You could write them in abbreviations or in short forms. Another important thing you need to note in this task is do not beat up yourself if you miss any line or phrase from the audio. Just go on and get to the next point and take down the next point as much as you can. Now, when we go to the speaking part, that is after the audio has finished playing and after the 10 seconds they give to you to put yourself together, what you need to do is speak as fluent as possible. Do not try to form accents. Do not try to imitate the accent of the person that spoke in the audio. Just be as natural as possible. Now, your accent is not what is important, or is not as important as your fluency. That is how smooth you're able to read or you're able to speak into the microphone what the audio has said. And it's important that you do not beat up yourself too much. Just be simple, be plain, straight to the point, speak as fluent as possible, pronounce the words that you can with the notes you have taken, and that's it. You get a good score in the retell lecture. Now, so many people complain about this task being so difficult, especially first-time test takers. And sometimes I wonder what makes it very difficult. In my one-on-one class, I share proven templates. These templates, why I call it proven, is that they've been used over time and they've yielded good results. I share them in my tutorials or in my class, and my test takers use it. My students use it, and it works for them. It makes it very easy for them, like a walkover in the exam. Remember to follow me on Instagram at English_prep class and on Facebook at English prep class for more relatable content. Okay, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.